advancement of science and technology is now giving you this wonderful opportunity for each and everyone, not only for teachers but for myself, to get exposed to these very useful modules, teaching modules. These are very basic materials which are available in our homes, and they are materials that are not very expensive, cheap, and you can use them inside your classroom teaching by supplementing your theoretical classes by demonstrating different principles, different theories of your science. So in these 4 days, you will be exposed to these two subjects, physics and chemistry, demonstration, experimentation, where you can utilize when you go back. If we can take education to each and every individual, so these youth will go and sit in those places where there is good infrastructure. I mean to say, if you give good education, make them empowered, then they go and get jobs where they feel this empoweredness. Their roles is very important.
That innovation will come into play if we, each and everyone, any individual, has the right critical thinking.